Hello everyone, Tom here again from Smartland, and this is the video tour of 21312 Hansen Road in Maple Heights, Ohio. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. We just got done renovating it. The market value of this property is $82,000. The approximate square footage is 1,100. We think it's going to rent for about $945. So let's just get started here in the kitchen. We redid all of the existing cabinets. We refinished them, we repainted them. We also installed some new hardware on them. We also refinished the existing countertops. We installed a new sink with a new garbage disposal. This house also comes with new appliances. We have a new stove and a new fridge. We also installed some new cabinets to go alongside with the stove and the fridge on that wall. In this room, we also put in our new flooring. It's got that gray, scratch-resistant, water-resistant flooring we use commonly in a lot of our houses. We also installed a new light fixture as well. So let's just go take a look at the rest of the house. Over here we have the bathroom. We installed a new shower fixture with a new tub. We also put in new shower tile. We put in a new energy efficient toilet with a new sink cabinet. There's also a new vanity mirror with vanity lighting. And the bathroom also has the same kind of flooring that we use in the kitchen, which is that gray, scratch resistant, water resistant flooring that we commonly use in our homes.